Hey guys, and welcome back to Meshascorner. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious chicken pepper kebabs. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and share with your friends and family. So I'm going to start cutting up the peppers and the orange. I am adding orange for extra flavor, but we're going to get into that later. So as you see here, I'm cutting an orange pepper. You can use whatever color pepper you have. I just want a variety of color on the kebab, and so that's what I did. I'm cutting slowly because I don't usually show a lot of cutting and slicing videos, and so I wanted to let you guys see what I'm doing. This is a Anaheim pepper, and but you can use, like I said, it's interchangeable. It's your kebab. You can use whatever you want, but I like extra flavor when I make things. They didn't have any of the other pepper that I really like that I always use. I can't even think of it right now, mom brain, but but so I decided to go with the Anaheim pepper. Oh, poblano. I was looking for a poblano pepper. That's what I was looking for, but they didn't have any on this day when I made this video. But this is what it looks like. I removed the membranes and I'm just slicing it down. I really like kebabs because it's one of those things that's like, it's really fun to eat and make. It relaxes you. You just relax and form your kebabs, chop up your veggies or your fruit or whatever you're going to use that day for your kebabs, and you're good to go. Now, this is the orange I was talking about. If you don't like orange or you're allergic, just leave it out. No biggie. Or use another fruit like pineapple, or use lemons, limes. But I had an orange. I had a navel orange, and I decided to just use it. No, I'm not going to cut my finger, child. Okay, my fingers are good. Y'all, would you believe it? The only really bad cut I've ever gotten was in culinary school. Oh, my God. Like, the OG subscribers might know this story already. I'll tell a little bit of it, but let's get into this chicken breast. I'm using 2 chicken breasts today because I'm not making a whole lot, but these 2 chicken breasts did yield a lot of, enough kebabs for 2 days for 2 people. And so I'm just going to slice it kind of sort of to the same size and shapes as the peppers. So you guys, we had to debone frozen pig feet. I think some of you guys already know. We had to debone frozen pig feet, and that knife slid off the pig feet and right into my hand. And I'm not talking about like just like a little. The knife went straight into my left hand. Till this day, it still bothers me every now and then, but yeah, that was crazy. That was crazy, but anyway, let's move on. You can use whatever seasonings you want, but this is what I'm using. It was $1 in the grocery store, and I picked it up. You can add whatever you want. This is all I'm using. I'm not adding any extra salt. Oh, and of course, oil is going in the air fryer. I'm not using any extra salt. I'm leaving it how it is, keeping it simple. I told y'all I'm all about fast, quick, easy, simple meals, especially, like I said, being a new mom. I'm going to say that a lot because I need y'all to understand why some of these meals are so quick, fast, easy, and simple. Okay, so especially if you're new, you're like, man, what is she doing? Listen, y'all already know what it's like to have a newborn, okay? So these recipes are quick, fast, to the point, easy. And it's summertime too. I'm in Texas. Honey, I'm going to be burning up that air fryer, okay? That air fryer is going to be used all throughout the summer because I am not turning that oven on. Unless it's like bright early in the morning, I'll turn the oven on. But other than that, So now I'm going to assemble the kebabs. No particular order. Pepper, chicken, orange slice chicken, pepper chicken, however you want it. But you do want a piece of chicken in between, like every 2 or 1 piece of like the orange or pepper, just to get like that color contrast. And when you eat it, it's fun and things like that. I didn't eat the orange segments, so those are just there for, presentation and flavor. And by the way, they did add a lot of flavor, but we'll get into that a little later in the video. Oh, you guys, now why did I record, edit, and save in my phone a ultimate cheesy corn dip with bacon, all the works, a blueberry lemonade? It was like a 2-in-1 video. Y'all, I deleted the entire video by accident. I am so, oh my goodness, y'all would have loved that video so much. I literally deleted the video. Anyway, so I'm gonna pack this up, put it in the refrigerator to set for like maybe 30 minutes or so, and then we're gonna get back to it. So this is a Swiss that I'm going to be using. I'm not making no Swiss from no scratch. No. So I'm going to use this Swiss. I'm not adding nothing to it. It's perfectly fine. And now to my heated air fryer, I'm going to add my kebabs down in here. Obviously, I don't have the big, huge air fryer, so I'm going to have to do it in batches. But this is what I'm doing. I add that to the air fryer, and now I'm just putting the Swiss in a bowl so it's easier to manage. After 10 minutes on 370, this is what it looks like. I'm going to add the Swiss on this side, just like I'm doing here. You can't mess it up. If you mess it up, it's your fault. Don't come over here bothering me. You're going to add the sauce on this side like this, okay? And then I'm actually going to flip it over, because you want to cook the other side. They're halfway cooked. They're not all the way cooked. So I flipped it over. I'm going to put it back in the air fryer for another 8 minutes or so, about 8 minutes. It all depends on your air fryer. It depends on the size of your chicken breast. And, you know, just use your own mind or a thermometer and you'll be good to go. Next, before I put it in, I did put the sauce on this side as well. And then I put it in there. My bad, y'all. Y'all got it. Pull it out, Swiss, flip, Swiss, back in the air fryer. After about another 8 minutes, my goodness today, y'all, look at this. Look at this kebab. Like, look at this. Like, I cannot. And they were so delicious, you guys. Like, so delicious. I didn't do much of anything to them. The hardest part was cutting up the peppers and the chicken. That was the hardest part. That's some of the juices that were on top of the parchment paper on both times. You know, when I put, do 2 batches, that's the sauce that was on top of the parchment paper in the air fryer, and I just poured it over top. And look how delicious this looks. I do wish I was able to put these on the grill. I am going to probably do a grill video before the summer is out, but not right now, child. But these will be amazing on the grill. If you have a grill and you want to grill it, put it on the grill. Like, for real. If you have access, put the kebabs on the grill. Seriously, put it on the grill. So now I made some jollof rice. If y'all want that recipe, let me know. If not, I'll keep it to myself, child. I made some jollof rice, and that's what I'm going to put here with some cucumbers. And that was dinner, and it was just simple. It was well-rounded, delicious, popping, and just delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. If you make this, tag me and let me know what you think. All my socials will be below, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye.